Is it possible to run an extremely dangerous Windows virus, but on Linux? Why is everything so laggy? I think I already might have a virus or something. Okay, but the reason why I have so many viruses is that they might not work, you know, so we have to have some backup options. This one is ransomware jigsaw. I want to try this one. What this one does is basically locks all of your files and demands payment, but we have to name it .exe for it to work. Let's do wine jigsaw.exe. Congratulations, your software has been registered. This message shows up when the virus is encrypting all of the files in the background. So we can actually run a Windows virus on Linux. Except, does it even have any effect? I'm not seeing... Oh? No freaking way. Okay, it worked. We can see that all of my files are encrypted. .fun file, okay. Or FUN. Honestly, I wasn't expecting this to work. Okay. But another part of this virus is that there was supposed to be like a window of Jigsaw appearing, and then he tells us where we have to send the Bitcoin to get all of our files back. That part doesn't work. Okay. Can I delete these files? Trash. Okay, yeah, I can. But then there's another one. There's Annabelle ransomware. This one also locks all of your files. How do I even type that? Can I just... wine, paste, execute. This one, I don't think it's worked. What even is coronavirus EX? I just found this one online and I downloaded it because I like the name. Wine, let's try to run it and see what it does. Wine. Oh, I think this is like the wine menu. Open. And there's like a window that doesn't go away. So this one also kinda works. Maybe not the whole virus. I can't even quit it, okay? What if I terminate the task? Oh yeah, that fixes it. Let's try WannaCry. I think this one is also ransomware. Please read me TXT. Oh yeah, what's wrong with my files? This is ransomware. But what files did it encrypt? I didn't even have any files on my desktop. It just gave me new files. And what happens if I terminate the task? The virus, I think it doesn't work anymore, but we have some extra files now, which I can just delete. Then let's recover some of our viruses. Let's go to new volume, modern virus, and which ones didn't we run? No freaking... Okay, wait. That other virus encrypted all of my viruses on my external drive. The one that I keep my viruses on. Yeah, okay, why? Why would you do that? So I have to figure out how can we get our viruses back. That was unexpected. Memes. Let's try this one. Extract here. ls and wine memes exe. This one, yeah. The software you just executed is... what does it say? It's considered malware. Yeah, there's the warning. Yes, activate the virus. Command completed. Oh, did it stop the virus or something? It doesn't seem like it's actually running. Let's run it again. Memes exe. Yes, something is running. Okay, yeah, this one does work. What's going on? Memes.exe is not responding, and there's just a bunch of windows spawning. We don't want Windows on Linux. The program Memes.exe has encountered a serious problem and needs to close. Show details. Oh, and it's still working. Rest in peace? Is that what it said? This virus is so annoying. And what's going on? All of these viruses work at least partially. That is super cool to see. Let's go for you are an idiot. Yeah, there's 3 different files and 2 of them are DLLs. Idiot.exe. And yeah, this one doesn't seem like it's working. I think this one was ransomware, but what were these 2? I don't remember. And this one locks you out of the system. I think let's try this one. And wine, no, escape, exe. This malware is no joke. Continue. Yes, no. Yes. Program error. Show details. Command completed. Yeah, the virus stopped. So this one also doesn't work. And now let's try this one. Wine, sev, exe. Oh, there's a small window right here. That one is from wine. Your personal information are encrypted by 7. You have only 96 hours to make a payment. System exe is not responding. Interesting. Program error, show details. And I think the virus has crashed or something. But we can see that all of my files are encrypted as well. And what about files on my external drive? These ones are not encrypted. Okay, thank God. Wine, WannaCrypt, 0... REXE. And we have a bunch of new files. Oops, your important files are encrypted. If you see this text but don't see wanna decrypt or... yeah, we just have to send him Bitcoin. That's the TLDR. And these files are not encrypted. What did it even do? So I think alongside this virus, let's also run this one. Extract here. Error during extraction, not an archive. What do you mean? It is literally an archive. And what is this file? I think the virus tried to mess with my external drive files. And now finally I want to run one more virus. Wine Petya exe. Unsupported. This one just doesn't work. Okay. You can check out a very similar video to this one about what if you run a virus on every Windows version. And I'll see you there.